Hi friends, I am Magic Sir of Mathematics with Magic Methods. I have been teaching mathematics for over 30 years. I want to share my experience with students from all over the world. And this is our magic board. I will take you on a journey into the exciting world of trigonometry, calculus and geometry. Would you like to travel with me via YouTube? So let's start. Friends, we have defined 6 trigonometric ratios in my previous video. Let's take a quick look at these ratios. These are the 6 important ratios. In the right triangle PQR, measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Let angle R is equal to theta. Please note that theta is a Greek alphabet. Hence, we have first ratio sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR. That is side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse is equal to PQ upon PR. So sin theta equal to PQ upon PR. Next, cos theta is equal to QR upon PR. Side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse, that is QR upon PR. So cos theta equal to QR upon PR. Third, tan theta is equal to PQ upon QR. That is side opposite to angle theta upon side adjacent to angle theta is equal to PQ upon QR. So tan theta is equal to PQ upon QR. Fourth, cosec theta is equal to PR upon PQ. That is hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta is equal to PR upon PQ. So cosec theta equal to PR upon PQ. Fifth, sec theta is equal to PR upon QR. That is hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle theta is equal to PR upon QR. So sec theta equal to PR upon QR. The last, cot theta is equal to QR upon PQ. That is side adjacent to angle theta upon side opposite to angle theta is equal to QR upon PQ. So cot theta equal to QR upon PQ. Please remember these important ratios. Friends, now we will derive relations between the trigonometric ratios of the angle theta. In other words, we will find the relation of these 6 ratios with each other. We will use these 6 ratios one by one. At first, we will use equation 1 and equation 2. We have first equation sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR, and the second equation cos theta is equal to QR upon PR. So sin theta upon cos theta is equal to PQ upon PR from the first equation and QR upon PR from the second equation. Now see the denominator of both ratios, that is PR. Simplifying, we have sin theta upon cos theta is equal to PQ upon QR. Comparing with equation 3, tan theta is equal to PQ upon QR, and here sin theta upon cos theta is equal to PQ upon QR. So we can write sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is our first relation. Here tan theta is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. Please remember this relation. Now from equation 4 we have cosec theta is equal to PR upon PQ. Dividing numerator and denominator by PR, we have cosec theta is equal to PR upon PR, and here PQ upon PR. That is PR upon PR from here and PQ upon PR. But we know that PR upon PR is equal to 1. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon PQ upon PR, where PR upon PR equal to 1 and PQ upon PR is as it is. Comparing PQ upon PR with equation 1, sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR, and here cosec theta is equal to 1 upon PQ upon PR. So we can take PQ upon PR is equal to sin theta. Hence we have cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Note that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, or sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. Remember this relation. Friends, we have used first 4 equations to derive relations between the ratios of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and cosec theta. Now we will use equation 5, that is sec theta is equal to PR upon QR. Dividing numerator and denominator by PR, we have sec theta is equal to PR upon PR, and here QR upon PR. So sec theta is equal to PR upon PR from here and QR upon PR from here. We know that PR upon PR is equal to 1. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon QR upon PR, where PR upon PR is equal to 1 and QR upon PR is as it is. Comparing with equation 2, cos theta is equal to QR upon PR, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon QR upon PR. So we can put QR upon PR is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. This is our third relation. Remember this relation. Here we can see that sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, that is sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Similarly, we can say that cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. Now for equation 6, we have cot theta is equal to QR upon PQ. Dividing numerator and denominator by QR, we have cot theta is equal to QR upon QR and PQ upon QR. So cot theta is equal to QR upon QR from here and PQ upon QR from here. But we know that QR upon QR is equal to 1. So cot theta equal to 1 upon PQ upon QR, where QR upon QR is equal to 1 and PQ upon QR is as it is. Comparing with equation 3, tan theta is equal to PQ upon QR. From equation 3, we have PQ upon QR, and here cot theta is equal to 1 upon PQ upon QR. So we can put PQ upon QR is equal to tan theta. So cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. This is our fourth relation. Here we can see that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And before we discuss an interesting example of trigonometric ratios and magic sort methods to calculate these ratios, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Note that the reciprocal of number n is 1 upon n. We will use this concept. We have obtained equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Refresh your mind and remember the different forms. From the second equation, we have cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Interchanging the position of cosec theta and sin theta, we can write sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. The product of sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. So we can say that sin theta and cosec theta are the reciprocal of each other. From the third equation, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Interchanging the position of sec theta and cos theta, we can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. The product of cos theta and sec theta is equal to 1. So we can say that cos theta and sec theta are the reciprocal of each other. From the fourth equation, we have cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Interchanging the position of cot theta and tan theta, we can write tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. The product of tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1. So we can say that tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocal of each other. Now from first equation, we have sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. This can be also written as tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. But we know that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we can write cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Sin theta in the and cos theta is here. Please remember all these relations of trigonometric ratios. Keep in mind that sin theta is not the product of sin and theta. Sin theta is not equal to sin theta into theta. Similarly, cos theta is not the product of cos and theta, and tan theta is not the product of tan and theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, we can say that sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, as sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. We can also say that cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. And last, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, as cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. We can say that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Please remember all these relations. If we know any one of the ratios, we can easily obtain all other ratios. We take an example to calculate these ratios. If sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2, find the values of other trigonometric ratios. We solve this equation by using two methods. First method is based on theoretical calculation using the definition of ratios and the theorem of Pythagoras. Second method is sweet and simple. Here is the first method. Look at the triangle PQR. Measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree and measure of angle R is equal to theta. Here sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR by using the definition of sin theta. But sin theta equal to 1 upon 2 given. So comparing the values of sin theta, we can say that PQ upon PR is equal to 1 upon 2. This can be also written as PQ upon 1 is equal to PR upon 2 is equal to K. We assume that is equal to K, where K is positive number. Comparing both ratios with K, PQ upon 1 is equal to K and PQ upon 2 is equal to K. So we have PQ is equal to 1K means PQ equal to K and PR is equal to 2K. This is our equation first. We can put PQ equal to K and PR is equal to 2K. Now we need to find the length of third side of the triangle PQR. That is, we have to find the length of QR. We will use the Pythagorean theorem to find QR. We have, let us take the pointer. We have PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. We have PQ equal to K and PR is equal to 2K. So K square plus QR square is equal to 2K square. So we can write QR square is equal to 2K square minus K square. That is, QR square is equal to 4K square minus K square. Therefore, QR square is equal to 3K square. Taking the square root of both sides, we have QR is equal to root 3K. Thus, we have find the third side, that is QR equal to root 3K. Now we know that cos theta equal to QR upon PR by definition, where QR is equal to root 3K and PR is equal to 2K. We see that this K and this K, simplifying we get cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. This is our second trigonometric ratio. We know that tan theta is equal to PQ upon QR by definition. But we have PQ equal to K and QR is equal to root 3K. Again, we can see that in numerator K and in denominator also K. So simplifying, we get tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. This is our third ratio. We know that cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta are the reciprocals of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta respectively. Hence we have cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. But sin theta equal to 1 upon 2 given. So we have cosec theta equal to 1 upon 2, that is cosec theta equal to 2. Second, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 we have find. So sec theta equal to 1 upon root 3 by 2. This can be simplifying that 2 upon root 3. So sec theta equal to 2 upon root 3. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta because cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. But we have find tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3. So cot theta equal to 1 upon root 3. So simplifying we get cot theta is equal to root 3. Now we will go to the second method, which is very simple. And now we will learn the second method. It is sweet, short and simple. But you have to make some verbal calculation in your mind. Are you ready for short method? Our example is if sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2, find all other ratios. Look at the bubble. This is our thought bubble. We can say that it is our brain. Now the calculation starts in our brain. Sin theta is equal to PQ upon PR. But sin theta equal to 1 upon 2 is given. So we put PQ is equal to 1 and PR is equal to 2. Use Pythagorean theorem. QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. PR is equal to 2, so PR square equal to 4. PQ equal to 1, PQ square equal to 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Taking square root of both sides, QR is equal to root 3. We take QR equal to root 3. The success of this method depends on our accuracy and verbal calculation. Let us remove the bubble. Make verbal calculation in your mind. The output of your brain is ready. It is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 square equal to 4, 1 square equal to 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Hence QR equal to root 3 and sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2 given. By definition cos theta is equal to QR upon PR. QR equal to root 3, PR equal to 2, so cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Tan theta is equal to by definition PQ upon QR. PQ equal to 1, QR equal to root 3, so tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3. You have learned that reciprocal of number n is 1 upon n and the reciprocal of 1 upon x is x. Similarly, the reciprocal of a upon b is b upon a. We use this concept. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So, reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, that is 2. Again, the reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. So the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3. And last, Reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta. So the reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. Hence, if we know any one of the ratios, we can easily obtain all other ratios. Do you like this short method? Then please like my video. If you want to learn more about magic methods, subscribe to my channel Magic Sir with Magic Method. Thank you.